Philip here from Kindy Manager. Glue your ears on, strap yourself down. We're about to cover a 30-minute tutorial in 6 minutes because I know that you are busy people, and what we're going to be covering is how to create a booking from the kiosk and send that information to the Kindy Manager. All right, let's get going. All right, so the first thing we need to do is create some bookings. So let's upload some bookings to the kiosk. And once the bookings have been uploaded, and you can wait for a minute, you'll be able to have a look directly into the cloud and see that those bookings have arrived. You can expand and collapse the details using the plus, minus, or the buttons at the top. So they have definitely arrived. And we will now go and have a look at the kiosk. And we're going to change a few settings on the kiosk so I can see more details on the class. So we'll key in as an educator here, bring out the menu, go to kiosk settings. We'll have the list of classes returned to us when we sign in. We'll keep the screen awake while we're working, and I want to display some statistics on the class. Saving the changes and pulling the screen out, going back home, we can see that we've got more information there. Now we'll just have a quick look at our data here. I want to show you that we've got 3 children in the before school care, so there's nothing up our sleeve, and we have 1 child in the after school care. This will become important later on as we create a booking. So Mrs. King comes in with her child for before school care. The only problem is that the child is not booked in, so we're going to create a booking directly from the kiosk, keying in using our educator password. So Carol has arrived, and we are going to book her into before school care, and we are going to put her into the casual session, slightly more expensive maybe than the one she'd pre-booked if she had a pre-booked, and it is for today. So we'll create the booking. And yes, we do need to sign in right now. Okay, so we're just simply going to get Steve to do that job for us, and we're going to sign in and record the time. And your job is done. Okay, so if we go back now, we'll have a look at the before school care children, and we'll discover that Carol is actually there. Not only is she there, she's been signed in. Now, we're also inquiring about after school care. So today, the singing lessons have been cancelled. Can we just do before and after school care today? Let's create the after school care class, again using our educator pin and selecting our child. After school care, there's only 1 session in the after school care, so that's automatically selected, and it will be for today. No, we don't need to sign in now. We'll be signing in later on today when Carol arrives. So now we have 2 children in the after school care. All right, let's see how that looks back at the Kindy Manager. Remember, Kindy Manager doesn't know about this yet. We've done all this work on the kiosk. So if we have a look at Carol's account, we will find that there is no bookings for before and after school yet, because we haven't told it about the bookings. So to tell it, we're going to go and pull them down. We do not want to upload any bookings at this stage, and it'll become very, very important that we don't do that before we download. All right, so let's have a look at the screen that we've presented here, and I want to demonstrate that the origin of the 2 new bookings actually does tell you that they are coming from the kiosk. Okay. So let's go and have a look at our account now and see that those bookings have arrived. Both before and after school are there. And double clicking onto before school, we will find that the time is already there. All right, okay, so just recapping what we've done. We've uploaded the bookings. We've taken the booking from the kiosk for Monday. We have then told Kindy Manager about the Monday bookings. This is what you don't want to do. You don't want to upload the bookings to the kiosk, create a new booking in the kiosk, and then send the bookings from the Kindy Manager back to the kiosk. This would have the effect of removing Monday, because Kindy Manager never knew about the Monday. So it's very important that if you're going to use the kiosk for creating bookings, that you download the bookings first to get the new bookings off the kiosk. Then you can send your changes from the Kindy Manager back to the kiosk. And there you have it, 30-minute tutorial in 6 minutes, how to create bookings on the kiosk and send it to the Kindy Manager. If you have any questions, be sure to show the video to a friend and ask them all the questions that you... please just give us a call. I think that's what I'm supposed to say. Did I get it in 6 minutes?